Hi everyone, this is Sarvam Rai from Designy. In this video, we'll be looking into how you can use the job application tracker. So, firstly, to use the job application tracker, you need to purchase the job application tracker from our Etsy store. So, let me just quickly show you. Okay, we have not listed a job application tracker right now, so I'll just show you beforehand. Okay, so in the same way you'll see the job application tracker. Okay, so in this video's description you can go over there and you'll find the link which will take you to the Etsy store where you'll find the job application tracker. So once you are there, you'll find the same thing. Okay, the image and the titles will be different. Okay, the product will be different. So over there you just need to click on add to basket, then it will take to your basket, and click on your basket, and over there you just need to click on buy it now. Okay, or complete the purchase. You just need to click over there, and once you purchase is you just need to come on your account, purchase and review. Over there you'll find like in your purchase section you'll find the job application tracker that you have recently purchased from us. Okay, so you just need to click on downloads over here on the this side. You'll find the downloads. Okay, so click on downloads. So it will download your file. Okay, once you download it, you need to go to the file manager. Over there you will find is like this one. Okay, deepseek HTML file. So you can open it from there by double clicking it, or what you can do is if what it usually do is it is supported with Google Chrome, Firefox. Okay, but we found that it's not supported in Microsoft Edge. Okay, it does not save data as in the Microsoft Edge, but Firefox, Google Chrome, or any any browser, it saves data. Okay, so you can check it once which browser is which browser are you using and is it saving the data or not. Okay, then you can use it. So I'll just open it through the Google Chrome. So let me open it through the Google Chrome. As here you can see I have opened it through Google Chrome, and this is the first dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. Here you'll see the total applied, active pipeline, response rate, offer. Okay, here you'll see ghosted, the bar chart. Here you'll see the applications respectively with respect to the weeks. Okay, and the week start from Saturday and ends at Friday. Okay, so this application is of today, so that is 5th June. So since the week has started from Saturday, that is May 30, and ends at 6th. Oh, sorry, 5th. Okay, 5th of June, ends at 5th of June. So the next week will start from 6th and will end at 12th. Okay, so please be careful on this specific section. So next is the board. Okay, here you'll be able to see all the status of your job. You can just change the status from here too. You can just move in this way. Okay, you just need to click the left button and just wherever you want it, you can put it over there. Okay, so let's say we move it to the interview. You just need to go over there and just leave it over there. Okay, so it will move to the interview. And here if you want to like give a star mark to it, you just need to give a star mark. Okay, presently it's not showing, but we have seen I think over here which is shows star. Okay, so once you refresh this page, so let me refresh. Once you refresh it, as you can see, the star mark will appear. Here you'll be able to see the saved, applied, interview, offer, rejected, ghosted. Okay, all these sections. Now let's go to the list. So let's put one in offer. Okay, so let's go to the list. Here you'll see all the list of different companies and their offers, etc. Okay, locations, offers, etc. So here from here you also get the search bar from where you can just search it and if you want to edit it, you just need to click on edit button. From there you can edit any specific datas. Okay, like here you can see all the datas. You can simply edit from here. So if you want to delete it, you can just delete from here or from any button, any other buttons available. You can also change the status from here too, like here you can see. Okay, you can just change the status from here, and if you want to add a new job, you just need to click on add. Okay, you just need to give the company name. So let's say it's Infotech. Okay, so the job title is, let's say, manager. So the job URL, let's say it's anything, just write a random one. So status is saved. So I applied it today, so you can just click and select the specific date wherever you want. Okay, so let's say I applied it today. So salary, so you can add your currency symbol from here. So let's say I add it as INR. So I'm expecting is 100k annually. Okay, so the location is, let's say, Delhi, and contract person is Sarvam, let's say, and the note is, let's say, something random. Okay, so each time I do it, you can see the save button appearing. Okay, once it's done, you can just close it directly. There is no save button you need to click, it automatically gets saved. Okay, so let's go on the list. You'll be able to see that specific company here, Infotech manager, saved. Okay, you'll be able to see. If you want to edit any data, you can edit from here. So you once you edit, it will automatically get saved. Okay, as you can see, it automatically gets saved. And finally we have is the setting, where you can export the data in JSON, you can import the file. Okay, like if you have any file, similar file, okay, which it accepts, so you can add it over here. So here let's go on the board and you'll be able to see all that. Okay, so let's say offer rejected, we can move it this way. Okay, so and go to the dashboard. You can see how beautiful the dashboard looks. Okay, you'll also get a follow-up over here. Okay, if you are, let's say, if your data is something like added, so you'll get the data over here. So the first 3 was the sample, so I'll just clear the sample. Okay, so that will so it will clear all the datas. Okay, from here. So you can just now you can work it in a new manner. Okay, so here that works. You can clear from here to, that was the sample, so I have cleared it. So that was all about this job tracker. So if you like it, you can purchase it from us through Etsy. So if you have any questions related to it, you can also come to the Etsy and message us regarding it. We'll definitely answer you as soon as the possible. Within an hour we'll definitely answer you. And it's supported in mobile as well, so we have tried this application using in mobile phone. So yeah, it did support it in the mobile phone. So you can use it in mobile phone. We tried it through Google Chrome. Okay, in the mobile phone as well, we tried it through the Google Chrome, so it did support it in the Google Chrome. So you can try it in mobile phone. So definitely it will also support in any other systems as well. I'm quite not sure about the iPads. So if it has the browsers available browsers like Google Chrome and etc., so I think it may support. Okay, we'll add the details in the product descriptions, more detailed product descriptions over there. Okay, based on the designers description. Okay, we'll add all details over there. You can come to our Etsy store and read the description as well for more informations. So that was all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching the full video. This is Sarvam Rai from Etsy signing off.